Hey my YouTube friends, today we've got the MOVO, this would be a lavalier clip-on microphone kit. It is designed around smartphones and camera devices. You know, something with a little 355T RRS type plug. It's the one with the headphones and the microphones in. You can see that right there. So yeah, there's the microphone, and included with this, it also has this amplification circuit. So this would be for like cameras and stuff like that that aren't usually able to pick up decent quality audio. You can hook this up and you're pretty much good to go. Just put this on your subject to your filming and you're good to go. Now they also do give you about 20 feet here of audio cable, so you're pretty good no matter where you need to be, you know, how far away you need to be. So it gives you a good 20, maybe 30 feet almost of audio distance, or of microphone lavalier distance. So you're probably wondering what this is going to sound like. So I've got my cell phone hooked up here and I'm going to give you a direct video. I'm not going to edit the audio at all. I'm actually going to cut out the main microphone here, and we're going to switch over to my cell phone right here. So see you guys over here in this video. Hey guys, so glad that you could join me. This is a audio test of the MOVO lavalier microphone, clip-on lavalier microphone. From what I've heard, the audio, it sounds pretty good and really enjoy it. Alright guys, go check it out. It's available at Amazon, so you can order it there. Alright guys, so that was the raw audio test from the MOVO smartphone lavalier microphone. Pretty cool. It actually works. So it's a pretty compact package, so you can carry it along with you wherever you're at and pick up decent audio quality with your smartphone or vlogging camera. Alright guys, we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.